Ms. Zoe from Los Medanos Elementary in Pittsburgh, and today we're going to be creating a game called Fish Tac Toe. And the only things you're going to need are construction paper or any paper you have. You'll be needing some tape, some scissors, and a marker, pencil, utensil you have for yourself. And that's about it. Okay, so our first step is to have our writing utensil. So I'm going to use this marker so you're able to see what I'm doing. So we're going to do an ancient number 3, and it literally looks like a 3. We're going to go straight down, and then we're going to go to something that goes in like this, and then something like this. So it looks like an old type of 3, and it does not have to be perfect, okay guys? You do not have to be perfect. After that, remember, we're going to get your scissors and we're going to cut around. Remember, with your parents' supervision. If you don't know how to cut or you have some hard time cutting paper, have an adult help you. Okay, now we're going to open up our paper, and it's gonna look like a fishbowl, like this. After that, we are going to grab our marker, utensil, and we are going to, after that, we're gonna open it up, and we're gonna grab our marker and create our title of the game. We're gonna put it up here. So our game is called Fish Tac Toe, just like that. Fish Tac Toe. After that, we are going to do some 2 lines that go 1, 2. 2 lines. And then we're going to make 2 more lines the opposite way. 1, 2. And that's all you have to do. So a different way that someone can get fish tac toe is if the fish got something that looks like this. It can be this way, or this way, or down, or sideways, right about here, and you guys would get fish tac toe. Okay, so this is how you play it. So one person will go anywhere you want, then the next person will go, and the next person will go, and then someone else will go, and another person will go. And if that person had the same colored fish, connect 3, you got tic-tac-toe. Well, it's technically fish tac toe. This fish did not get fish tac toe. And guys, that's just about it to make this fish tac toe. Until next time, from Ms. Zoe. Bye.